Let's locate the places on the map of Egypt. You can see in the left side we should locate the first sea is Red Sea, the second sea Alexandra, and the third sea is River Nile, fourth sea Aswan, and fifth sea Mediterranean Sea. So you can see in this map, here is Red Sea, so here should be Red Sea. You can see there are same pictures. And second is Alexandria, so it should be here. The second is River Nile, it should be here. And third is Aswan, it should be here. And the fourth is Mediterranean Sea. You can see here Mediterranean Sea. So here should be Mediterranean Sea.